Okay, so clicking attack would be another thing. So attack should prompt the user which weapon he's going to use. Is he going to, well, if he has a sword on his left hand and then like, I don't know, a shield on his right hand, and then what tactics ogre allows you to do is, you know, choose which weapon he's going to use, because attacking with the sword would be the default action, but then attacking with the shield will have a different effect. For example, give him a less damage, that means it's less lethal. So if you don't want to kill a certain character, so you can just attack with the shield and push him and move him one block away from you. So that's kind of the strategy to move, like make, like to push some certain characters so that it actually opens up the pathway for other characters. So that's kind of the tactics that you use. So basically you will have to be able to choose which weapon you're going to use. You can either, you know, choose to maybe punch or something. So click attack collect would be called, and post on attack call or clicked. Yes. So UI controller hide action menu, and then UI controller show instead of action menu, it's choose weapon menu. So it's the same thing. Okay, so let's go back to the Svelte or this one. Choose weapon menu, and then action, instead of action menu, choose weapon. Okay, so it's important to pass the, you know, unit property, because you know, which weapon you can choose depends on units, and then what depends on the or unit has the actual actor class inside. So actor class would have the list of equipments he has, right? So choose weapon menu. I'm just going to create a new Svelte file. Choose weapon menu .svelte. Okay. Did I add the transition? No. Okay. Transition fade. It's not defined, so I'm just going to import it. Fade transition. It's not transition, it was a transition fade, right? Oh, okay, so it's comma itself. So comma, and then the vertical line is something like to specify some parameters, right? Like some, I don't know if it's a local action or something. So anyways, I'm just going to div class, what is it? Choose weapon menu transition. Oh, he knows. So unit weapons. Wow. So basically, he does what it should do, and he knows it. I mean, almost. And style. Does he know? Okay, almost. Well, instead of almost, it's exactly what I want, right? Well, okay, so maybe choose another button. Kick. Okay. So let's import that component. Choose weapon menu. So attack should prompt unit export unit with unit. And unit is defined. Yep. Weapons, I mean, right, it doesn't really okay, so attack should weapons is not defined. Unit actor equipment. Well, I mean, any equipment that's stored in the backpack, you won't be able to use. So this is not really going to work, but it's all right. Actual equipments. Oh, equipment's not defined. Why is that? Oh, sure. That's because actor class is not returning anything in terms of the equipments. Yeah, it is. So actor class equipments. So it has the equipment's empty array. And why is it saying it's not iteratable? Array like object. Unit actor equipments as weapon. I don't know, but I'm just gonna return empty array here. Just for the sake of kick. Weight is not defined, of course. Of course, weight. Kick or punch. Punch. Okay. So when punch, you know what though? Let's have some equipments actually. And see if that returns something. So equipments, data equipments is an array of, so by default each character would have this equipment name sword and damage 1, damage 1, yeah, weight 3 kilograms, and then range or length. I would just say length because range is maybe 30 meters for bow and arrows, but it doesn't really mean the length is 30 meters. So length 1. I'm just say it's 1 block, but it's okay. So 1 block, yeah, sure. Okay, so equipment 1. So everyone in this field has the sword reloadation. So attack will bring another menu. Yes, so punch, kick, but it's not really showing me the sword option. Why is that? So attack is called, unit is undefined. Okay, so unit is not passed. Let's go back to float. Unit is, it should always be updated when this stage unit on focus is updated, but it's certainly not doing it. So I'm just going to copy that and just define it. Okay. At const unit is this. Attack sword. Brilliant. So that's what. So I think the unit is actually not being updated, and not sure how I should update it. Let's see. So sword is selectable. Then do nothing. So after selecting the weapon, you should be able to choose the target that's within the range. First, I should hide this highlighted tiles, because that's it's not really a target selection, it's an movement direction selection. So hide highlighted tiles. That's not UI controller. Okay, so hiding the tiles. So what is, I think that's what we do when we finish the stage, finish the turn. So finish the turn would do, so stage side component is doing that. I'm feeling I'm feeling it's better to have the stage class to do that. So move unit, right? After highlight is clicked, make the unit move, and then okay, so this is it. So get tiles for each. So this place actually is hiding. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just copy this part and go to stage, hide all highlights. He knows, huh? Okay, so I'm just gonna rename it, but I think this is pretty much highlighted tiles. So stage get tiles, this get tiles for each. Get tiles exists, right? Hope, yep. Get tiles. Well, I mean these tiles, pretty much. Tiles for each. L is tile ID. Okay, so let's use const. Sorry. Const. What? Const L. Okay. So hide all highlighted tiles is defined, and this should be called when move unit is called. Yes. And this should also be called when some of the menu action menu is clicked. So for instance, this one, move clicked, attack clicked, stage, is it imported already? No. Yeah, stage hide highlighted tiles. Okay, so that's what it should do first. So when attack is clicked, the tile is being disabled, and then when sword is clicked, it hide it, huh? So let's go to the weapon, choose weapon component, choose weapon component. Okay, so close other tabs. So when it's clicked, let for const range is weapon length, and length does not exist. Yes, I meant, oh my goodness, it even says range, but I'm just gonna say length. length, well, range is also a number and length is also a number. Okay, range is set. So find the target that's within the range. So that's the next thing.